I made this video recently on converting an image to 300 DPI through Canva by saving it as a PDF file first and then converting it to JPEG using online converter tools. But if you want to use these designs for print-on-demand purposes like putting the design on a t-shirt where you don't want to have the white background and instead you want something like this one, it's because the JPEG formats do not support transparent backgrounds. And then the solution now is to convert that image to a PNG file format. So now the question is, can we retain the 300 DPI quality in the JPEG after converting it to PNG format and also remove the white background for free? Yes, here's how to do that. Once we export the PDF from Canva to get the high quality 300 DPI image, convert it using your favorite online converter tool. I use Cloud Convert, which does the job well. Now let's test the DPI information in the resulting JPEG file to ensure we got the 300 DPI. Great, it is 300 DPI. Now let's go to this website for our next steps. Click here to upload the JPEG file and don't check any of these boxes or it might reduce the quality. Now go into Advanced and click on Transparency. Now this is an important step, so please follow along here and also wait until we check its DPI information after the file is downloaded. And I'm also hoping this is helping you so far. If so, please hit that like button to let me know. Okay, so leave every setting on the left as it is, but experiment with it in case you don't get your desired output. In my example, I'm not touching these at all because in almost all cases, the default setting worked perfect for me. The objective here is to remove the background white color from this JPEG file. So all that I'm going to do here is click here on this white color to remove it. Ideally, you must carefully click on any area within this image where you see white background color to remove it. I will show you the difference once it is exported. Alright, once done, scroll and check your design so we haven't left any inner areas. And then click here and then here to download it to your local computer. Let's open that output PNG file, and here it is, with the white background successfully removed. Now let's verify its DPI information. Unlike JPEG file, we cannot verify the DPI by going into its file properties like this here. Instead, open the PNG file in Paint and go to File and then Properties, and here you can see that it is 300 DPI.